Bangladesh Adventist Nursing College (BANC) is the first government-approved university-level educational center of Bangladesh Adventist Church history. The college is approved by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Bangladesh, accredited by Bangladesh Nursing and Midwifery Council (BNMC) and affiliated by University of Dhaka, Bangladesh. And the college code is 139. Since 2017, BANI has been implementing a 3-year diploma in nursing science and midwifery education, including 6-month internship with the aim of the passion to heal and heart to care. And now at 2021, with upgrade edition, BANC started new 3 programs: 4 years Bachelor in Science in Nursing, including 6-month internship, 2 years Basic BSc in Nursing program, and 3 years Diploma in Midwifery with 6-month internship program. At present, we have total 168 students in Diploma in Nursing Science and Midwifery program, 3rd year 41, 2nd year 47, and in 1st year 55 students. For BSc in Nursing course, 1st year 27, and for Diploma in Midwifery program, 1st year 4 students. BANC is ornamented by compassionate 27 faculty and staff members. 2 of them are regular, 5 are contract, 9 are package, 8 are auxiliary workers. For academic development, 12 qualified and competent faculty constantly working for the students, and they are also progressing themselves for higher degree. Academic result. The great blessings is that this year our 2nd batch graduated students got license to work as registered nurse, and we achieved 99% passing rate. In January, 1st year students were set for government final examination, and passing rate was 98, which is the 2nd highest passing rate in Bangladesh. And also, 2nd year students were set for government final examination, and passing rate was 100%, which is highest passing rate in Bangladesh. From June onward, we locked down BANI as per BNMC and government declaration due to coronavirus attack. The nursing instructor were continuously conducted their online classes through Google Classroom, Facebook, Messenger, Zoom, YouTube, etc. By the grace of God, again we able to open Bangladesh Adventist Nursing College from July. Our pre-nursing students set for nursing entrance examination in October, and passing rate was 90%. By October 2nd week, we started to admit new students for our courses at BANC. Also, we need your prayers for Diploma in Nursing Science and Midwifery 3rd year and 2nd year students, as they are going to write final government examination, hopefully in the month of January 2022. Though COVID-19 stopped the world for the time being, but this year we are having abundant blessings from Almighty God. We have completed approval, accreditation, and affiliation work to upgrade as Bangladesh Adventist Nursing College by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Bangladesh, accredited by Bangladesh Nursing and Midwifery Council (BNMC), and affiliated by University of Dhaka, Bangladesh, and the college code is BANC 139. We started new 3 courses, including BSc in Nursing 50 seats, Post BSc in Nursing 40 seats, and Diploma in Midwifery 40 seats. Course also had existing course Diploma in Nursing Science and Midwifery 60 seats. Early July 2021, we vaccinated all staff and faculty and nursing students against COVID-19 flu with the support from Central Police Hospital. We had permission letters and MOU with many different tertiary level hospitals as Dhaka Medical College and Hospital, Dhaka, Shohid Tajuddin Ahmed Medical College and Hospital, Gazipur, Central Police Hospital, Dhaka for student clinical placement and internship program. We also able to enrich and equipped our nursing laboratories with different models and equipments and also different nursing books in library. The academic and development plans of BANC. By 2022, we will prepare the preppers to submit for MSc in nursing programs for Bangladesh Adventist Nursing College. We will start the Building Bridge program with inter-country and outside country nursing and midwifery faculty members for the continuous faculty development training. And we hope for more development work for BANC Girls Hostel, Boys Hostel and faculty building. We hope for Bangladesh Adventist Healthcare Center as it is one of the basic requirements for Bachelor and Master's Nursing program. Third batch of Diploma in Nursing Science and Midwifery students will graduate with the completion of internship program. And by 2023, we will submit and hope to get approval for MSc in Nursing program and will prepare the prepper for Bangladesh Adventist University of Health Science. We will build international standard nursing simulation laboratory and library. And by 2024, we will be able to enroll MSc in nursing students and will prepare the preppers for foreign students enrollment. Fifth batch of Diploma in Nursing Science and Midwifery students and first batch of Diploma in Midwifery students will graduate with the completion of internship program. And by 2025, we will able to graduate first batch of BSc in Nursing students with the completion of internship program. And lastly, by 2026, we will able to upgrade as Bangladesh Adventist University of Health Science and will be able to graduate first batch students of Masters in Nursing Science students. And finally, with the finance, our working capital for 2021 were from January 47%, February 36%, March 27%, April 20%, May 18%, June 6%, July 3%, August 2%, September 2%, and October -1%. And our liquidity for year 2021 were January 111%, February 107%, March 99%, April 98%, May 103%, June 92%, July 93%, August 93%, September 92%, and October 90%. Our total expenses up to the September were 80,83,543 Taka only, and the budget up to September was 1,42,50,975 Taka only. For 2021 onward, our fee structure were total tuition fee for BSc in Nursing in 4 years, 2,16,000 Taka only. Total tuition fee for post BSc in Nursing is in 2 years, 1,20,000 Taka only. Total tuition fee for Diploma in Nursing Science and Midwifery program is in 3 years, 1,08,000 Taka only. And for total tuition fee for Diploma in Midwifery is in 3 years, 1,08,000 Taka only. We would like to give thanks to our Almighty God for being so gracious towards Bangladesh Adventist Nursing College for the last 5 years. And also, we would like to express our gratitude to SST, BAM, BASC, Loma Linda University, BCSS, and many dedicated donors from South Korea and in United States. We also appreciate all of your supports and prayers for Bangladesh Adventist Nursing College. We BANC will give our best to train our young people towards the holistic healthcare services with a solid Adventist educational background to serve Global SDA Church as well as people of Bangladesh and beyond. May God bless you all.